Hey percussionists, this is Miss Seal. Today we're going to be talking about the rudiment progression chart, and so I'm going to show you where to find that. Eventually you will have assignments that you will be turning in, but for now I need you to figure out where on the progression chart that you are. So here's how you find it. So you're going to go under your groups in Schoology. Okay, and in your groups you will have a WMS percussion. If you are not in that group, let me know, but I think I caught everybody. So click on that group and then go under Resources on the left hand side. At the very top you will find a rudiment progression chart and a rudiment list. Okay, if you can't find your fresh approach to the snare drum, I just went ahead and uploaded a PDF in here. Okay, so you click on that, and this is basically which rudiments on the left hand side you're going to be working on, and then all of this stands for tempo markings. So it's kind of like a bronze level, and then silver level, and then gold. And so we're going to be pushing your rudiments in tempo this year. So I have uploaded lesson 5, and in your folder you will see how this works in just a second. So as soon as you go on this chart and click on these, I want you to start on lesson 5, and I want you to kind of color it in when you feel like you can play it adequately. Okay, so I'm going to click down here. If you keep going, this is your rudiments. Okay, so on the charts it'll say 1 stands for single stroke. Okay, 2 is single stroke 4. Okay, so you're going to find the click track that matches the number that's on this side. So like 13 stroke roll happens to be 13. Okay, and then you keep going. Single paradiddles will be number 16. And so on and so forth. And you can find this in the back of your Wessel's book. Okay, so if we back out of here, okay, here's number 5, lesson 5. And I have uploaded all of those play along tracks in here. So these are your goals for lesson 5, and it'll tell you bronze level 4, okay, bronze level 2. Every level has 4, sometimes 5 different tempo markings, and it plays them in order. So it'll be the slowest first for 1, and then it'll get faster for 2 and faster for 3. So when you click on this track, okay, single stroke roll, you'll press play. 3 and go. And then it keeps going. I'm going to show you how it goes faster. Okay, and now it speeds it up to the next level. Okay, and then if we keep going, it gets faster. And then that's the last one. So what I need you to do this week is I need you to start with lesson 5 and go through these. So here's those numbers I was talking about. This is your single stroke roll. This is your double stroke roll. So if you're shooting for, on lesson 5, you're shooting for multiple bounce, bronze level 2, okay? You're going to go under multiple bounce, bronze level, and level 2 is the second tempo that comes up when you play this recording. So your job this week is to figure out where you are on these lessons. So I've gone all the way through lesson 13, and your goals are in there, and it'll tell you how many. As you go on, you add new rudiments, and I have marked that on there. So the new rudiment for lesson 13 is Flamacue, and you can find that, and your goal is bronze level 1. So your goal this week is to figure out what lesson you can play up to. And you'll start on level 5, and if you can pass level 5, you let me know. I got level 5. That's all I got for you, percussion. Happy practicing!